Hey there guys, your good old buddy Eric from the Action Toys channel, and today, of course, we have the squad car from the Tracey line. Here's a figure. It's got one inside. It's got our mob boss in there that in the 90s show ends up swimming with the fishes. Okay, so the issue with this car, okay, you see the car? It's got stick lights, which are always missing. And it's got one of these headlights. Problem with it though is that it doesn't fit properly on there anymore. And in fact it is it just doesn't fit properly. See how it's supposed to sit on like that? It sits lower and it doesn't sit on there at all. So from the look at it, we have to build this up to be square again so that it fits in here. Alright. It's dirty, but you know. I'm talking about the figure. See? Okay, let's go. Okay, I gotta heat this up. Oop, don't want it to go out. And it went out. Okay, so what we want to do is get this to, sorry about that, this stuff don't want to, now I am just going to build it up. I probably will end up having to file it down just a tiny bit. Okay. All right. This stuff is a pain so far. All right, so maybe we'll switch over to something else. Okay, because this stuff for some reason gets jammed in the feeder. As you see, it gets torn, it stretches, and it just doesn't want to go in, right? So I'm like, I don't know what the heck's going on with it. So, like, I want some good PLA. Look at this one. This one's much better. Oh, it went out too, but. Now, thank goodness I have a lot of dust on this. Okay, so it looks like we got front end pretty well where it needs to be. Yep, pretty much there. But from the sounds of it, it needs to be able to touch. Okay, so it's going to be a lot of fittings. So we're almost built up enough on that side. Okay. There we go. Oh no. Okay, so building up the back end. Okay, this is taking forever. Now I could have did this in a different color to show the work, but oop, car just had a hit and run. A foot soldiers got smashed. Oh wow, that's not bad, and I think it's sitting about where it should be. Let me grab another light from another car. Whoa! Another car. Wow, that actually fits on there pretty good. Now I just got to build up the back end, and then we'll be golden. Okay, as this is a car, still got the chrome on it. We put that one back. Okay. All right, so now all we gotta do is this backside right here. It's gotta come up a fair bit. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Now we built that up a fair bit. Now just gotta tap it down, push it like this, make sure it's flat, try to make it square as best we can. Now it's a little too big, but that's fine for now anyways. I just need to make sure it goes on. Okay, that looks good. So much dust on it. Plastinium sticking, that's good. All right. Now I got this car at a, what do you call it? It's been so long since I've seen one, or been to one. I got this car at a flea market, that's what they're called. It's been 2 years since I've been to a flea market. Yep. All right. Now I need to cut this down just a tiny bit. I got the back all raised up. I got the front raised. I'm looking for my cutters. Okay. Oh, there they are. I'm going crazy for no reason. Okay. All right. So now, what it looks like to me is that this little top goober right here. Okay. Okay, the top goober needs a little bit of work, but oh, that's why. Oh wow. No, well. Alright, let's heat this up a little bit and then we'll play around with it some more. This is the one spot that kind of bothers me, but okay. I just gotta make sure that it looks like that. Goes there, yep. Okay, so at the end of the night, oh, one's still a little bit high. Yep. So this is going to come down a little bit more now. You can always take and add more. Oh, that goober that I put on there come off. That goober even. Just gotta make sure these are the right size. That is almost perfect, to be honest. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this, put a little bit of heat on it. Okay, take this, place it on here. And how does that look, guys? Like this one is factory. Okay, so I can swap them both out. That locked in. This one did not. Oh, they're both locked in now. Not bad. This one is millimeters higher than the other one, but that's fine. I don't think anyone's gonna even care.